guys? We're back to keep up our magnet fishing bridge series here. Just a random bridge in the middle of nowhere near a dump, so hopefully there's a lot of trash in here. Yeah, so we're gonna hop out here and see what we find.
Alright guys, like Jordan said, we're gonna be magnet fishing this little bridge. It's a little dangerous because there ain't a lot of room, so we're going to be very careful.
Alright guys. It's not very deep. Hey! I don't know. Yeah, guys, got some metal pieces. This looks like a drill bit. Drill bits.
Well, that's cool. I found a bunch of scrap metal.
This one here is definitely a drill bit.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I think somebody dropped like a whole drill set or something.
Huh. Cool,
I don't know. They're old.
are they drill bits?
I think one of them is for sure, but I can't tell the other ones.
How you doing? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got some more. Something else on here. It might be, I don't know. I can't tell if it's a rock or something else. I really feel like it's a bunch of really old drill bits.
I got something too, Jordan. A bunch of, well, this is a piece of metal and then a bunch of other metal shards. Huh.
I'm trying to look over here. I feel like there's some metal down here.
What?
I feel like there's some metal right down here.
Oh.
I can't. I mean, I can try to throw out there. I don't know what it is.
Oh, you barely got it, man. If you can at least just break it out of there, we can. I'm scared. Man,
That's a lot of tension in.
is it making you nervous?
That cord is something in a wrapped
Let's try to pull. I'll make it help you. I'm scared of this. Damn. I don't know. Make it work. Yeah, it's real. Wherever that is. And I know. You're not. Hey, you got it. Oh, dude, it's a steering wheel.
Are you serious?
Yeah. It's a steering wheel. Holy crap. I think it's old. Maybe it's a steering wheel. Maybe it's a weight.
I think it's literally a weight.
Huh. Yeah, it is a steering wheel, I'm pretty sure.
Why is it so heavy?
pretty cool. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see down in the water, but there is a truck tailgate down there. Our magnet, snore, or hook are going to be able to grab that. We've tried. It's not happening. But I want to show it to you because that's cool at least. Maybe we'll come back one day when we get a stronger magnet or something and see if we can pull it up. It's pretty embedded down in the bank, so I don't know if we can pull it up or not. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Hello. We just got done magnet fishing at this bridge over by the waste dump. Found quite a few things actually, so it's pretty good. Lots of odd finds. Jordan found a steering wheel that he's packing. So that was really cool. There was like an old a truck tailgate down there. We couldn't get it, so hopefully come back for it at some point. If you're liking all these magnet fishing video, guys, make sure to give us a thumbs up, leave some comments, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, keep it real.